Hey guys, so I am back with another video. So I am standing up because this is actually not a beauty face video. I don't even have any makeup on. This is like my natural air dried hair. So the focus is on working out. So I wanted to give you a fitness update. I actually lost a good amount of weight last year after doing keto and working out consistently after I had my baby, and she's going to be 2 in September, so it's been a minute. I was doing pretty good. I actually stopped doing keto after doing it for like 4 months because it wasn't really a long-term thing. So it's been about a year since I've been off keto. So since then, I actually continued to work out 5 days a week. I had really hit gold with my workout routine with doing YouTube videos, specifically Sydney Cummings. So I've been doing her workouts 5 days a week for literally the last year consistently. I think I might have missed 1 or 2 days, but I was like, I had really fallen in love with the videos. I had fallen in love with the style of weight lifting with dumbbells at home and doing cardio and abs. So it was like all well-rounded. And I've talked about her multiple times, but she does a new video every single day. So Monday through Saturday, she does a new workout video, and Sunday is a stretch day. So it was just like having a personal trainer. I was like able to do whatever she said, and I didn't have to worry about figuring it out. Like, is today leg day? Is tomorrow should it be cardio? I just did her routine. So mind you, I had stopped doing keto. So I was getting a little bit of weight back because I wasn't eating like super strict, but I was just kind of eating normally. Like, I wasn't eating horribly, but I was watching kind of what I was eating, but I was still treating myself. So then COVID happened, and I would say over the last 3 months that we've been kind of under shelter in place orders, I gained about 7 pounds, which isn't horrible. I will say though, I am cooking a lot more than I used to. So back in the day, my husband's schedule was that he used to never be home. Like, he has a full-time day job, and then he had a night job where he was like owning a business like in the nightclub industry. So he was never really around, so I just kind of cooked real basic for myself. It wasn't anything fancy. But then he's not working at night anymore, and he's at home all the time now because with COVID, you know, it's not like you can go anywhere. So I started cooking, which is great for, you know, our family dynamic. We can eat dinner together, but I was definitely cooking more than I was used to eating. Plus, he's a vegetarian now. Well, he eats some meat and dairy. But for the most part, he eats meat-free. We do meat substitutes, but because I'm not like an expert vegetarian cooker or chef, I do more carbs to kind of fill the place of meat. So, you know, it's been an adjustment. I gained some weight, so since, like I said, since coronavirus, I probably gained about 7 pounds. It's not horrible, but I really want to lose it, so I've been still working out. It's more about the diet though. I'm getting back into tracking what I eat. I'm not trying to be crazy about it, but I do think that I could tighten it up a little bit. I've been working out and trying to get some new gear that's going to help me, because I think that at a certain point, like, I was starting to get a little bit more winded again, probably because I wasn't eating at the cleanest. So I have some new gear that I want to show you guys. The first is this set that I'm wearing right now. So this is from FBF Body. So this is like a crop and leggings. So this is actually from a women-owned black company, and I wanted to buy it because I'm doing a lot more support of black businesses. This set was recommended by a makeup artist friend of mine, Alex Butler. And I didn't know about the brand, but then I heard like this set was so popular, they sold out and they restocked it recently, so I was like, I gotta have it. I used a coupon code, but together with shipping and the coupon code, I still spent $100 on the set, which honestly I never would have shopped that expensive for workout gear. You might, maybe you do, maybe you have some of the pricier brands, but I've always gotten my workout gear from like Ross, TJ Maxx, like that kind of thing. So I'm just a very tight shopper. That's just how I've always been. So this was definitely a splurge for me, so I treated myself for my birthday. So I wanted to show you this set. It is so smooth and soft. I definitely don't usually buy the coordinating set, so it's kind of nice to have a set. I wanted to give you a quick review on it. It is, like I said, very soft. It is probably like light to medium compression. It's not like going to completely smooth everything out. It's just going to kind of smoothly shape it, but not like keep it tight. So that's why it's called the Everyday set. They have this in black and plum because you can wear it every day and feel comfortable. I do have some compression leggings which are so tight that they're a little bit like uncomfortable, especially when you sit down or eat. So The crop, this is a size medium, this is a crop. I don't think it's like super flattering on me just because I tend to have bigger arms and it kind of comes out. I wish it was actually more like a scoop neck and it kind of went wider, but it's fine. You could totally wear this out, maybe just throw on like a little kimono over it. So it is supposed to be like a set, so you could have it like pulled up where no skin is showing, but I find throughout the day that it kind of separates a little bit. And I remember reading or seeing one of her Instagram kind of like FAQs on the brand, and they said it doesn't roll up, but I will say that the top does roll up on me. Not a lot, probably just like that much, but it doesn't have any rubber lining or anything, so that's probably why. Like I said, I'm a medium. I don't know if I needed to get something smaller or bigger, but that's my general size in most clothings. The bottoms though, they don't roll down at all on me, so I like how it's high-waisted. So here's my belly button and here's the top. So as you can see, I still have like my pooch. It's smooth, but it's there, and it's because it's not super light, not super tight compression. It's a long legging, not 7/8. So on me, I was happy though because it doesn't bunch up a lot because I'm only like 5'3". So I wanted to show you guys this. Would I buy it again? Probably not. It's just too expensive for me unless they're having a sale. But I think it's a nice piece to have. I've worn it twice already. I haven't washed it yet. So by the time this video will be up, I'll put a little update on how the washing goes. But it says rinse cold, dry low. So, you know, don't overdo it. I do want to share like a dupe that I have found for it though. So I have these leggings, and the brand says Nude Tech. But to me, it's almost like the exact same material. So I think the big sell on these is that they're so soft, they're like buttery, and they're comfortable. This material is basically the exact same. It's a 7/8 length though, so it's not full length. And I will say that it is high-rise, but not as high-rise as these. But these are still above the belly button. I bought these for $9.99 at Sam's, and it was such a deal. I wish I had gotten more pairs. But the brand is called Nude Tech. So I did some research looking for them because they're sold out on Sam, because $9.99 was such a good deal. And it looks like the brand is Yogalicious on Amazon, and you can buy these for like right under $30. So it's definitely much cheaper than buying the set, plus you can get free Amazon Prime shipping 2 days. This wasn't free shipping, and it took about 5 days for me to ship, for it to get to me with the upgraded shipping, you know, so it was about $10 to ship. Versus a regular shipping was like $7, so I just paid the $10 so I could get it sooner. So if you're looking for a dupe, I would say look at the Yogalicious Nude Tech legging. It's pretty much, it feels like the exact same thing. Okay, I want to talk about something else I bought on Amazon, which I am obsessed with. So I am all about wearing some kind of compression belt when I work out. Because I have a little loose skin here, it literally hurts when I jump up and down and do anything kind of cardio like that. It's like as if you weren't wearing a sports bra, but for my tummy. So I found this new waist belt. I had really been looking at the Sculpt fitness belt and the compression belt, but the shipping seemed like it was really crazy. The reviews seemed a little sketchy, and it was very, very expensive. So I was like, okay. I actually have been scouring Amazon for a while trying to find something similar, and I finally did. So this was only like 20 something bucks. I would say like 25 bucks. Amazon Prime, which is amazing. And basically it's the same thing. There are a couple of different styles of it, but basically what makes this great is that it's not a waist cincher. It doesn't have latex. It doesn't have the rows of the little hooks. I can't do that. That's just way too uncomfortable. I just simply use it for working out, and I'm not really doing waist training. So this one has a zipper. So this is a size medium. So like I said, I wear a medium on most things, so I would say it's pretty accurate. It is a little bit of a little tight, but I think that's the point. So I wear this over a tank or a shirt just because I don't want to irritate my skin. But you see, it does take a little bit to get it up, but it's not impossible. So it has a zipper. This is neoprene, so it helps you sweat. It has a little bit of boning, but it's very subtle. Like it's not, you can tell it's like plasticky. Okay, so then it has this other part which makes it super secure. They have some styles where it was like the 2 straps, but this one was a little bit cheaper with just the 1 strap. And honestly, most of the control is here. So you can totally cinch your waist in a lot, so I can go even more if I wanted to. So the good thing about this is that it goes all the way underneath my belly and all the way underneath my bra. Some of my other waist belts were too short, and I always felt like I wasn't getting the compression, especially on my lower stomach, which is where I need it. So I really liked it. I worked out with it today for the first time. I actually wore it around the house for a couple hours just to see how I'd like it, and it was actually very comfortable. And this is talking from a person who, like, I get really irritated with those waist trainers. I can't wear them a lot. I wish I actually had this when I was recovering from postpartum, because this is comfortable enough to wear and it stays in place. But I wore it working out today, and it was actually fine until I got to the ab moves. Like when you're on the ground bending, I couldn't move as much just because it's constricted. But I did it with a whole bunch of jumping squats, jumping lunges, burpees, and I was fine. I did find that it was a little bit sweatier under here. It wasn't like completely drenched or anything, because the material isn't like, have you ever tried the Sweet Sweat waistband? I like that one a lot. That material I think makes you sweat more, but it's not as secure because it doesn't have the zipper. So I don't really wear that anymore, but this has neoprene, so it will make you sweat. So I don't know if it will really make you lose weight, but I think it will kind of help keep everything in compressed, feeling good, help shape you a little bit, you know, because that's the nature of these kind of things. But yeah, I really like it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put links for everything that I talked about today. The waist belt, the FBF body set, as well as the New Tech leggings, because I love sharing when I find great things that I love. So hopefully we can work on getting back to where we were. My lowest weight last year was like right around November was like 137. So I'm about 13 pounds up from then. So if I can get back in my like early 140s, I'll be fine. I just have to really work on the eating. And I know I'm not mentally just there yet. Like, you really have to commit to that. And it's been like a lot of like eating in with COVID. My routine's different, so I just have to reset. So I don't know, let me know what you guys are doing. I'm starting to use the carb tracker app again. I got through my birthday, about to go on vacation next week though, so maybe I'm gonna have to really wait till after that and then reset. So hope this was helpful. Let me know what you guys are up to with your fitness, workout, like healthy living lifestyles. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Ciao, Bellas.